Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to talk about dictionaries in Python. So without further ado, let's get into it. So dictionaries are used for storing the data values in a key and value pairs. So each key is separated from its value by a colon. The items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in curly brackets. An empty dictionary have to be written with just two curly braces. So the keys are unique within a dictionary, while the values may not be. It can be different. The values of a dictionary can be of any type, but key must be of an immutable data type such as strings, numbers or tuples. These data types we have already covered in our previous lectures. So this is an example of a dictionary. So this is the dictionary named dictionary 1, which is enclosed in a curly braces having 3 keys and 3 value pairs which are separated by a colon. We will see how to create a dictionary in a while, but let me explain you what are the properties of dictionary. So the first property is it is an unordered. So when we say that dictionaries are unordered, it means that the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer an item by using an index. The second property is it is changeable. So the dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove item after the dictionary has been created. And the third and the last property is duplicate values are not allowed. So the dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. So the keys should be different. So first let me show you how to create a dictionary. So this is a Python command line and we will start by giving the dictionary name. So in this case our dictionary name is dict1 equal to, which is a assignment operator, and the next we have to enclose our dictionary into the curly braces and give the key value pairs which are separated by colon. So the first will be name, and we have to separate each key value pairs by using commas. So this is our dictionary name dict1 having the 3 key value pairs. So hitting enter, now our dictionary has been created. For validation we will use the print function, print dict1. So this is our dictionary that we have created. So our next topic is accessing the values in dictionary. So to access the dictionary elements, we use the familiar square brackets along with the key to obtain its values. So we have already familiar with this process that we have seen in our earlier lectures while accessing the values from tuples and lists. Let me show you how to do that. For this example, we will use our already created dictionary, which is dict1. To access the value, we use the print function. So use print, give the dictionary name, which is dict1, and in square brackets we have to give the key that we have to fetch. So in this case we will fetch the key value pair name. Just give name. After hitting enter, as you can see, we are getting the value for our key element. By following this process, you may be able to access the values from dictionary. So our next topic is updating the dictionary. So we can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry or deleting an existing entry. So here is some example in which we have changed the value for key age to the 28. So let me show you by performing with some simple example. For this example, let's consider a already created dictionary which is a dict1. Now if you have to update the key value for age, then for this we have to use the dictionary name dict1, in square bracket give the key for which you have to change the value or update a value. So let's consider we have to change the value for age key equal to and give the updated value. So let's consider we have to change 18. After hitting enter, now our dictionary has been updated. To validate this, print our dictionary by using the print function dict1. As you can see, the value for key named age has been updated. Our next topic is how to delete the dictionary elements. So we can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire content of the dictionary. We can also delete the entire dictionary in a single operation. So these are some examples. So in the first one, we are deleting the individual dictionary element. In the next step, we are clearing all the elements from the dictionary. And in the last step, we are deleting the entire dictionary. So let me show you with some simple example. So for this example, we will again consider the same dictionary name dict1. So in the first example, we will delete this specific individual element from the dictionary. So for this, we have to use the del command. So put del. The next step is put the dictionary name, which is dict1, and in square bracket we have to denote the key element which you need to remove from the dictionary. So for this, we will remove class. After hitting enter, so the class has been removed from our dictionary. To validate this, use the print function dict1. As you can see, there are only two elements now in our dictionary. For our next example, we will clear the entire elements from our dictionary. To do that, we just have to put the dictionary name, which is dict1 dot, and we have to give the clear function here. So just use clear and round brackets. After hitting enter, our entire dictionary has been emptied. To validate this, again use the print command, print function. After hitting enter, as you can see, we are only getting the two curly brackets, which means there are no elements present in our dictionary. Our last command is a delete command, which deletes the entire dictionary including its content. So for this, we will again recreate our same dictionary dict1. So here is the dict1 which is created, and now we will use the del command. So for this, just use the del command and just give the dictionary name, which is dict1. As you can see, our dictionary 1 has been completely deleted. So to validate this, we will try to use the print command on the same dictionary dict1. As you can see, the dict1 is not defined as we have deleted the entire dictionary including its items. There are so many other methods such as len method to determine how many items in a dictionary. We have already seen this method in our previous lectures of tuples and list. Let me show you one more time. For this example, we have again recreated our dictionary, which is dict1. For getting the number of items, which is a length of a dictionary, just use the print command, give len, and in round brackets give the dictionary name, which is dict1. As you can see, there are three key value pairs are present in our dictionary. I hope you understood what is a dictionary data type in Python and how to create it, update it, and remove the certain items from the dictionary with some simple examples. So for further Python lectures, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss any of the latest updates.